Good morning, grade 4. I think you enjoyed the test yesterday because that was very easy. And before the test, I have given some hints to you all so that it makes easy you to write the answers. And the questions were very easy. In the first question was which pairs becomes a whole, which two pairs becomes a whole. Second was drawing a pictures of and show adding and subtracting. Third was the word problem, and that is the addition word problem actually, right? Okay, all are added. I think all are added to that word problem. That completed block 4, children, right? Now let us start block 5 as you are seeing on the board now, adding 4-digit numbers. We are in very easy block, addition, that you all will do. So sometimes questions will be given, chapters will be like this. You should add with the expanded form. To do sums in this lesson, one should know the expansion, that's all. How to expand a number, you should know. If you know how to expand a number, this lesson is very easy. Right, children? The name of the block 5 is adding 4-digit numbers. Means we are adding just 4 digits, 4-digit numbers. In full entire block 5. Maybe in lesson number 1, lesson number 2 and lesson number 3, under block 5, in all the lessons, you will find only 4-digit numbers. Because the name of the block itself indicating 4-digit. And you will learn addition, different type of additions. Like for example, first lesson is, you are adding using expanded form. Children, you will able to add 4-digit numbers. Right? Aim is you will able to add 4-digit numbers at the end of the class using expanded form. Understood? And children, along with your work which you will send me at the end of the class, along with that, I want the meaning of this expanded form. This is the key word of this lesson. Keyword is expanded form. We are expanding the numbers. We are using the word expanded form. What actually it means? What is the meaning of expanded form? Please write down in your own way, in your own word, in your own sentences, what you know about the expanded form. The meaning you can send me to along with this work. Right? So before starting the lesson, let me ask simple questions to you. Right? I have a note here with me. Right? 200 rupees. Right? 200. And one more note I will show you. That is 50. Right? Children, 200 note and a 50 note. What is the total amount when somebody asks you to do, what you will do? Just simple. 200 plus 50, that will be 250. You will not write like this, no? 250. Will you write like this? No, you will not write like this. What you will write? 250, because after adding this, how? You will add 200 and you will add 50. So 200, so this 2 takes 100's place. 2 takes 100's place and 5 10's place and 0 1's place. When you add, when somebody told you said you to add, you will say it is 250, 250. Understood, children? So in the today's class, let us learn how to add numbers, 4-digit numbers, by using expanded form. Right, children? See, the examples which I have written on the board, they are very easy. Thousands, 3000, 1000, 3000, 2000. Sometimes to confuse you, the number will be given like this, 3050. It is also 1000. And if they ask you to expand, you should not get confused. How to expand? This is ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousandth place. Thousandth place 3 is there, that's why it is 3000. Easily you should expand. And in the hundreds place there is no number, don't write. And in the tens place 50, you should write 50. And in the ones place 0. This is how where there is a 0, you should not write any number. Because sometime the questions will be asked in the workbook. The expanded form of, for example, I am saying the expanded form of 8309. Expanded form of 8000. They will give like this, 8 plus 3 plus 0 plus. Is this correct? No, it is totally wrong. 8000 means you should write 8000 here. 3000 means 3000 you should write. Or else they will give like this, they will say like this, 8390. Is this correct? It is also absolutely wrong. 8300 correct. 90, no, it is 9, isn't it? How to write this? 8300. There is no number in tens place, so 0. There is no number in the tens place, 0. So otherwise they will give 0, otherwise directly 9. Directly 9 is given 300. There is no number here, so tens place is not there. So this is correct. You should able to identify which expansion is correct. In the practice question of lesson number 1, in this lesson only, as some expansions are given to you and asked you whether it is true or false. And sometime one number is given, 3 answers are given like this and asked you to write which is correct in these 3. Tick mark which is correct in these 3. So just to confuse you, 0 will be given in the number. So where you will get the 0, that number you should skip. This 0 is in the 10th place. So there will not be tens. There will only thousands. You will have hundreds. There is no tens here. See, only ones note you have. Thousands note, hundreds notes. There is no tens notes. That's why I have shown the notes. The intention behind the showing the notes to you all is these expansion also you should do by keeping this concept. There is no tens note, so no question of tens note here. Understood, children? So now let us, with this basic concept, now you understood. See, children, these are all you know. This ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. Whenever even the question is asked when you are doing in your notebook, let us have a table like this and do that work. See, children, first question is 3526. What you should do is expand. 6 is in ones place. 6. 2 is in tens place. 26, you will read it as what? 20. 26. 500. 500. 3000. 3000. See children, this is called expanding numbers. Simple. 3000, write 3000. 500, 500. 20, 26, 6. What we are doing? Adding. We are adding. Second number is what? 1000. 1000. You can start from this side or you can go from this side, but you should write it correctly. 200. 200. 30. 9. Now expansion is done. For the given numbers we are expanded. Let us add. Simple, no? Addition, but careful, huh? Be careful. See children, 9 plus 6 is 15. 15. 15 means what? 10 plus 5. 9 plus 5 is 15. So why I have written 10 plus 5? This 10 will goes here as a carry. This 10 will come here as a carry. Only 5 remains here. You know this very well. 15 means 5 here and don't keep 1 as a carry. 10's place 10 carry. Out of 15 only 5 kept. 10 will go here. 10 comes to the 10's place. When you are adding this, you should add this 10 also. That is 30 plus 20, 50. 50 plus carry 10, 60. 60. There is no carry. There is no carry here. This is 60. 10's place is 60 means 60 only. Now 500 plus 200. 0, 0 and 7. So this 100's place 700 means 700. This is how much? 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0. 3 plus 1, 4. Means this is 4000. See children, now write down the final answer. 4,765. Very easy, no? 4,765. Directly we can do, but the question in the name of the lesson is expand and do it. No. So that's why we should expand. One more example I will show you. This is the ones place. This is the tens place. This is the hundreds place. And this is the thousands place. This is the thousands place. In the ones place, this number from that side if you want to write, start from 2 and 9 tens, 400s, 3000s. What we are doing children? We are adding. 7 ones, 5 tens, 400s. See. 3000 means what you should write? Expand. Expand. 400. Expand. 90. This is 50. 400 again. And 2000. Expanding is important children. Without expanding you should not do. Okay. 7 plus 2 is 9. You are not getting more than 10 here. If you get more than 10, like this you should do. If you get more than 10, then you should take carry and remaining number you should write here. Now there is less than 10. So keep it as it is. 0. Look at here children. Be careful. You are getting 9 plus 5, 14. 140 you will get. How much you will get? 140. Let me write children. 140 can be written as, you will get 140, no? See, 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 5, 14, 140. You should not write 140 here because 100 should go to the hundreds place. Out of 140, 100 should go to the hundreds place. In this, 100 is there plus 40 is there. Correct? You will find 100 plus 40 becomes 140. 40 comes here. 100 will go to the carry. 100 will go to the hundreds place and 40 comes to the tens place. 40 comes to the tens place, 100 will go to the hundreds place. Understood now? Now, when you add this, you should add carry also. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 4 plus 4, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. Again, if you get more than 1000 here, you should write 1000 plus the number and 1000 will go to the carry. Now it is not more than 1000, it is only 900. So it is in the hundreds place only, 900. And the last one is 0, 0 and 0 plus 0, 0, 3 plus 2, 5. This also only 5000, so this remains in the thousands place. See children, the answer is 5949. Understood children? So such type of questions will be there, like in the number 0 will be given to confuse you, and expanded forms also will be given to you and asked you to write which is true and which is false. If there is a 0 in the number, I said that in the expansion that place value should not be there. If 0 is in the hundreds place, 100 number should not be there in the expanded form. In the same way, the number will be given with 0 and 3 answers will be given and we should select which is correct one. Such type of questions. And one more, directly numbers are given and asked you to add by using expanded form. Please draw this table, expand the numbers, add it neatly and write the answer. As it is, you do it children in your notebook. In the worksheet also you will find same. Table is already drawn in the worksheet. Just you should fill up the numbers and write the answers. And the word problems are also given. In the word problems, addition problems only will be given. Take the numbers from the word problem, expand them and add them. Understood children? So listen to this explanation from the beginning till the end, and this is the end of this lesson number 1. So after this I will send you the worksheet and practice questions of lesson number 1. Understood? Thank you. Bye.